Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Margaret and we discuss all things luxury, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Before we go any further, click that subscribe button. I'm gonna give you a moment to click the subscribe button. Okay, now let's get into today's video. So if you can tell from the title, today's video is an unboxing and I'm really excited about this unboxing because it's actually an item from my 2021 wish list. If you can, well, yeah, I've given it away in the title anyway. It's a pair of Amina Muaddi Begum heels. I am so happy that I have these shoes finally. Although I have had more than one chance to get them. However, I don't know if it's just me. Let me know if you guys feel this way too. But when I'm buying something that's so expensive, I have to have like a reason, or like sometimes I suffer from like buyer's remorse. Well, not buyer's remorse, but like I just feel like guilty spending so much money sometimes, even though I have the money and I want the item. I don't know why sometimes I have that feeling, but yeah, so I had two opportunities to get these heels. The first time I saw them, they were in stock, but I just couldn't justify spending that money at the time. But we were just on lockdown and I just like, we're not going anywhere. I just couldn't justify it. And then the second time I was watching a YouTuber and she recently got the pair of shoes and I was like, that's it, I need to get it. But I stopped myself just before entering my card details because I was like, I can't pay full price. I need to have a discount or something. I need something just to justify spending this money on a pair of shoes while we're in lockdown. So I forgot about the shoes and then I was having a bad week and I was like, I need to buy something to cheer myself up. That's a good enough reason to buy something. I found the shoes in my size and I was like, okay, time to do it. Just click checkout. But something in me, and I'm saying it's the Lord, told me, hold off, my child, hold off. So the site that I was on, I signed up to their mailing list randomly. I don't know why. Well, actually, I do know why, because I always sign up to mailing lists because I like discounts. However, they didn't have any like notifications or anything. So, you know, normally when you log onto a website, it says sign up, join our mailing list and get 10% off your first order. They didn't have anything like that mentioned on their site. They didn't even have, I think they had like free delivery over £500 or something. So I signed up, went to sleep, and I put it on my shop tagger app that I use. So I put it on that. This is not sponsored, but I just recently found out about it and you can get cash back. So like I said, I like a discount, I like money back, you know. So yeah, went to sleep, forgot about the shoes, but I was like, you know what, on Wednesday I'm gonna buy the shoes because Wednesday was payday and I was like, there's no regrets. You're not going into your savings, you're not using money, you know, it's payday, it's fresh money that can come in and go out. I went to sleep, woke up the next day and it was like 10% off new items and I was like, that's the sign. That is the sign. So I added the shoes to cart and thank God they were still in stock and there was only one. It was like the last pair. So yep, added it to my cart, checked out, got 10% discount and that was a big chunk of savings. So I was so happy about that and it just made the justification of getting these shoes even better. So yeah, got 10% off. It came by DHL. I didn't have to pay any shipping cost or anything like that. It was free delivery, which that's another bonus. But yeah, let's get into the shoes. A bit of AMSR, whatever that's called. This is the box. Sorry, the shoe bag is already sticking out because I've already opened it, but yeah, this is the box. This is how it comes. I was a bit annoyed because the box came quite damaged. So yeah, and this is, it's got a magnetic strip, how you open it here. So you only get one dust bag, which, I mean, how much I spent on the shoes, could I not get two? But yeah, you only get one. This is really good quality though, like it's super thick, like it's very good quality. And again, a little bit more of AMSR or whatever they call that. I got the lime color. Now these shoes are so gorgeous. They are so gorgeous. I mean, look at that. I think you're taking these shoes in. I mean, look at it. They are gorgeous. These are such princess shoes. Like, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I bit the bullet and I just got the shoes, because they are definitely worth it. And I definitely think this style in this shoe is definitely worth it. Absolutely gorgeous. Haven't taken the tag off yet. Sizing, I got my correct size. So they fit true to size. So I would recommend going with your true size. But again, always read the shoe description. Yeah, they fit like a dream. They're absolutely stunning. Again, they're giving me rich auntie, bad bee. I mean, definitely would recommend. So yeah. I know we're not going anywhere anytime soon, but I did what needed to be done and I had to get the shoes. Got them with the discount and I can't wait for my first place out, because I'm gonna be twinkle toes stepping in these bad boys. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Please do comment, like and subscribe. Let me know down below like what you're looking to get this 2021 off your wish list.